In this video, I will show you how to fix highlights not working on Instagram. Now, if you are baffled or suffering from losing your highlights on Instagram, this tip will help you. The first thing you have to do is to tap on the profile icon on the lower corner, and then tap on this plus button on the upper right corner. When you had to make a selection, tap Story, and then tap on Settings on the upper right corner. You just have to select Story again. Now, you have to make sure that this part, Save Story to Archive, is enabled or toggled on, or else your highlight will be lost or you won't find your highlights anymore. Now, you can enjoy viewing your highlight. So that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!